Ever wondered what makes a smartphone truly smart? What if we told you that Google Pixel 8 might just redefine your understanding of smart? Welcome to a world where technology meets ingenuity, a realm where your smartphone isn't just a device but a companion. This is the world of Google Pixel 8, a marvel that promises to revolutionize your smartphone experience. Imagine a 6.2-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, a design masterpiece with a punch-hole cutout, under-display fingerprint sensor, and two alluring colors. Powered by the groundbreaking Google Tensor G3 chipset, armed with 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage, this pocket dynamo runs on Android 14, introducing Live Translate, Magic Eraser, and Photo Unblur, transforming your interaction with technology. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. So, are you ready to explore the marvels of Google Pixel 8? In a world dominated by tech giants, how does the Google Pixel 8 stand against its potent competitors, the iPhone 15 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S23? The playing field is set, with each contender brandishing their unique strengths. In the design department, the Google Pixel 8, with its punch-hole cutout and under-display fingerprint sensor, offers a distinct aesthetic. The iPhone 15 Pro, on the other hand, maintains its iconic notch and Face ID technology, while the Galaxy S23 boasts an edge-to-edge display with an under-display camera. The battle continues on the display front. The Google Pixel 8's 6.2-inch AMOLED display, with a 120 Hz refresh rate, promises smooth animations and vibrant colors. The iPhone 15 Pro steps up with ProMotion technology, offering adaptive refresh rates up to 120 Hz on its Super Retina XDR display. The Galaxy S23, however, takes the crown with a dynamic AMOLED 2X display and a refresh rate that can go up to an astounding 144 Hz. Performance-wise, the Pixel 8 is powered by the groundbreaking Google Tensor G3 chipset and runs on Android 14, armed with 12 GB RAM and up to 256 GB storage. The iPhone 15 Pro, with its A15 Bionic chip and iOS 15, offers seamless multitasking and powerful processing capabilities. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S23, fueled by the Exynos 2200 or Snapdragon 898, depending on the region, delivers top-tier performance coupled with a robust 16 GB RAM and up to 1 TB storage. Clearly, these tech behemoths are not holding back, each offering impressive attributes in their own rights. Yet, the question remains, in a market saturated with high-performance smartphones, how does the Google Pixel 8 differentiate itself from the pack? While it may not boast the highest refresh rate or the most expansive storage, the Pixel 8 is not without its own set of unique offerings. With such fierce competition, the true worth of Google Pixel 8 will be determined by its unique features. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the Pixel 8's distinct capabilities in the next segment. What sets the Google Pixel 8 apart from its rivals? Let's delve into its exclusive features. Imagine a smartphone that doesn't just keep up with your pace, but sets the pace. The Google Pixel 8 is powered by the groundbreaking Google Tensor G3 chipset, a computing powerhouse that really packs a punch. This pocket dynamo is armed with 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage. With such a robust setup, expect nothing less than lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking, but that's not all. The Google Pixel 8 runs on Android 14, bringing an array of innovative features to your fingertips. Live Translate, Magic Eraser, and Photo Unblur are among its headlining features, transforming the way you interact with technology. Live Translate allows real-time translation for a truly global communication experience. Magic Eraser and Photo Unblur, on the other hand, are game-changers for photography enthusiasts, enabling you to perfect your photos with just a few taps. Now let's shift gears and explore the smart features of the Google Pixel 8. It's equipped with a temperature sensor designed to keep a close eye on your health. This means you can get real-time updates about your body temperature right on your phone. Talk about a smartphone that truly cares about your well-being. And who could forget about the Google Assistant with Bard, your creative companion? This feature is designed to help you unleash your creativity like never before. Whether you're drafting an email, creating a presentation, or just jotting down ideas, Bard is there to assist you, making the process smoother and more enjoyable. To top it off, this technological marvel comes in two alluring colors, obsidian and a mysterious surprise color. The design is a masterpiece with a punch hole cutout and under-display fingerprint sensor, giving it a sleek, modern look. Impressive, isn't it? But it doesn't stop there. In a world where every moment is worth capturing, how does the Google Pixel 8 elevate your photography game? This question brings us to the heart of Pixel 8's photography prowess, a feature that many have eagerly been waiting for. The Google Pixel 8 camera setup is a triad of power, precision, and performance. It boasts a 50-megapixel main camera that captures images with an exquisite level of detail. Every pixel is a symphony of color, light, and texture, bringing your photographs to life. Complementing the main camera is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It broadens your horizons, literally. The ultra-wide lens allows you to capture sprawling landscapes, towering skyscrapers, and large group photos with ease, encapsulating more of the world in a single frame. And let's not forget the 10.5-megapixel front-facing camera. It's more than just a tool for selfies. It's your ticket to professional-grade video calls, vlogging, and live streaming. Your face will be captured in stunning clarity, making every interaction feel more personal and engaging. But the Google Pixel 8 doesn't stop at providing excellent hardware. It enhances your photography experience with features like Night Sight, Video Boost, and Audio Magic Eraser. Night Sight lets you capture the beauty of the night without losing detail or color accuracy. It's like having a pair of night vision goggles for your camera. Whether it's a city skyline at dusk or a starry night in the countryside, Night Sight brings out the magic in every twilight moment. Video Boost takes your videography to the next level. It enhances color, sharpness, and stabilization, ensuring your videos aren't just recorded, but crafted with finesse. And then there's the Audio Magic Eraser. This feature is like having a personal sound engineer in your pocket. It eliminates unwanted background noises, ensuring your audio is as clear and crisp as your visuals. Now that's a camera that packs a punch. With the Google Pixel 8, it's not just about taking pictures or recording videos, it's about creating memories that stand the test of time. So with all these features, is the Google Pixel 8 worth the investment? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Let's take a moment to recap. The Google Pixel 8 is a design marvel with a punch-hole cutout and under-display fingerprint sensor. Its 6.2-inch AMOLED display with a 128Hz refresh rate is a treat for the eyes. It's available in two alluring colors, obsidian, and a surprise shade that keeps us guessing. Under the hood, the Pixel 8 houses the groundbreaking Google Tensor G3 chipset, coupled with 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 256 gigabytes of storage. It operates on Android 14, which comes with features like Live Translate, Magic Eraser, and Photo Unblur, enhancing your interaction with the device. When it comes to photography, the Pixel 8 doesn't disappoint. It boasts a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10.5-megapixel front-facing camera. With multi-directional PDAF, laser AF, OIS, and pixel shift, it captures the essence of every moment. The Pixel 8 is also packed with smart features such as a temperature sensor and Google Assistant with Bard, your creative companion. The battery life deserves a mention too. A 4,485 mAh battery supporting 24W wired, 12W wireless, and reverse wireless charging. The Pixel 8 opens for pre-orders on October 4th, 2023, shipping out on October 28th, 2023. The price tag is $699 for the base model. So where does that leave us? Is the Google Pixel 8 worth the investment? Or is it outshone by its rivals like the iPhone 15 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy S23? Well, that's a question we'd love for you to weigh in on. After all, you are the ones who will be using these devices. Whether Google Pixel 8 is your future smartphone, that's a decision only you can make. We've given you the facts. Now it's your turn to decide.